Hello people, welcome to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. We all are acquainted with sattu, which is also known as poor man's protein. As it is made from roasted chanas, it fulfills our protein requirement. Sattu can be consumed in different kinds of drinks as well as we can make paratha with it. So now I will show you the recipe of sattu paratha. In 50 grams of sattu, I have added nigella seeds and ajwain. We will add half chopped onion, 3-4 cloves of garlic, half inch of ginger and 1 chili pieces. This is oil which has been prepared by infusing mango in it. This will enhance the taste and flavor of the stuffing. Mango pickle, that is aam ka achar, can also be used during this stage. Little bit of lemon juice, a small bundle of coriander, and finally little bit of salt. Now we will mix all the ingredients together. We will not use water in combining the ingredients. The oil which I have poured will act as a binder. The stuffing will be dry. We will keep the stuffing at rest for some time. In the meantime, we will prepare the dough. Now in it, I will add nigella seeds, ajwain seeds, salt and mix all of them together. Now I will add oil along with water. I will make it into a soft dough. The kneading of the dough is complete. You can see how soft it is. This we will now divide into balls, which we will further use to make the parathas. After flattening it, I will add the dough inside and close the ends. Secure it tightly so that the stuffing does not come out. We will roll it into a medium-sized paratha. In Jharkhand and Bihar, sattu is very popular. In West Bengal too, we make different kinds of recipes along with sattu. This is a very authentic sattu paratha recipe. So now we will fry it along with oil. In the morning time, you can easily make it and consume if the stuffing is ready beforehand. Our paratha has puffed up so beautifully. I have integrated another recipe which you can serve with sattu paratha, and that is aloo chokha. This is the quantity which I have taken for one person. I have boiled one big sized potato and now I am mashing it well with my hands. Some salt. I have fried onion, garlic and green chili beforehand along with one red chili. This we will combine together and make the aloo chokha. You can eat different kinds of pickle along with the paratha, but this aloo chokha is a perfect accompaniment for the parathas. Now I will tear one paratha and show you the inside. You can see that the stuffing has been equally distributed across the paratha. Enjoy the sattu paratha with aloo chokha and let me know in comment section whether you have liked the recipe. Thank you.